is please speak English with me. Please speak English with me. E difficult. It's not difficult to speak English. It's not difficult to speak English. Everything is ready. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. What a special occasion. Thank you so much for giving me this wonderful opportunity to talk about English. Firstly, it's not difficult to speak English. Secondly, practice makes perfect. Finally,